Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello friends, here it is given. The sheet of metal components is a uniform thickness and has a mass of 600 gram, that is 0.6 kg, attached to the light axle supported by the bearings at A and B, located 150 mm apart. So A length of axle AB is given 150 millimeter, that is 0.15 meter. The component is at rest, so initial angular velocity is zero. When it is subjected to a couple m0, if the resulting angular acceleration alpha is 12 radian per second square k cap, calculate A part MO and dynamic reactions at A and B. Immediately after applying the couple, let us start solving it. The sheet assembly components rotates about the fixed axis Z. Z-axis. So summation of moment of x about x-axis will be minus Ixz alpha plus Iyz omega square. Moment of couple along y-axis can be written as minus Iyz alpha minus Ixz omega square, and couple about z-axis Iz alpha. Calculation for moment and product of inertia. Total mass is given. Area total we can find. Already mass I have written. That is 0.6 kg. Total area we can calculate. Half 0.075 square plus 0.15 geometrically. You have to see the figure and calculate. Very simple calculation is there. Two triangle and one rectangle. So it would be 16.875 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube, sorry, meter square. So density, mass per unit area you may calculate. It is not a volume density, it is area density. Mass is 0.6. Area we have calculated 16.875 10 to the power minus 3. So density you will get 35.556 kg per meter square. Now assembly consists of three components. I am drawing the diagram here, already drawn here, so just we can do the labeling. Assembly 1, assembly 2 and assembly 3. Dimensions are given. B, you can mark. This is B, this is B, this is B. Let us see here. B having the value 0.75 millimeter. So triangle 1, y is equal to by2 minus z dm will be rho by dz. So dij element 1 by 12 y square dm dixz 0 diyz 0. Coordinates of the elemental mass center. X element minus b, y element half by, z element z. So dixz dixz element plus x element z element dm. This is 0 minus b z rho by dz. So it will be rho bz minus p by 2 minus z dz. To evaluate complete, you have to integrate it. Minus rho b integration from minus b by 2 to plus b by 2 z b by 2 minus z dz. Substituting the limit and simplify, you will get 12 rho b की power 4. Similarly, you can calculate. Similarly, you may calculate Iyz method would be the same. Directly I am writing the answer. Minus 1 by 24 rho b की power 4, and Iz method would be the same. To calculate Iz, you will find 7 by 12 rho b की power 4, substituting the value, and we will evaluate. So Ixz you will get 1 by 12, 35.556 into 0.075 the power 4. So it will be 93.75 10 to the power of minus 6 kg meter square. Iyz you may find minus 1 by 24 35.556 into 0.075 whole to the power 4, so negative of 46.875 10 to the power minus 6 kg meter square, and Iz you will find 7 by 12. So inertia about z axis we will get 656.25 into 10 to the power minus 6 kg meter square. Now we will calculate for triangle 2, similarly triangle 3, and summation of all these. So ultimately you will get for triangle 2, I am writing directly all the three values. You may solve yourself. Ixz you will get 187.5 10 to the power minus 6 kg meter square. Iyz you will get minus 93.75 10 to the power minus 6 kg meter square. This is negative. I should write it little bit properly. And Iz will be 2062.5 10 to the power minus 6 kg meter square. Ixz this is for rectangle 3. 2 I am marked. Triangle 3 I am writing. Ixz 93.75 10 to the power minus 6 kg meter square. Iyz minus 46.875 10 to the power minus 6 kg meter square, and Iz is 656.25 10 to the power minus 6 kg meter square. Since the mass since center of mass lies on the axis of rotation, so acceleration is zero. So summation of F is equal to ma is equal to zero. That is V vector dynamic reaction at A, and V must be same and equal and opposite. That we will get A can be written as Ax I cap plus Ay J cap. Similarly, we can write V moment of couple can be written as Ck cross Ax I cap plus Ay J cap. So this becomes C Ay I cap Cax J cap. Just a moment. So it can be written as Cay I cap Cax J cap plus Mok. Using equations three, using equation 3, we can write summation of mz is equal to mo iz alpha. Iz is 2062.5 10 to the power minus 6 into 12. So it will be 24.8 into 10 to the power 3 Newton into meter. So we can write answer of A part is 24.8 10 to the power minus 3 Newton meter K cap. Now summation of mx minus Cay is equal to minus Ixz alpha minus Iyz omega square. Omega is 0. So Ay can be written as Ixz alpha upon C. Substitute the value 187.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 12 upon 0.15. So Ay you will get 15 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Now summation of m by 2 be 0. So we can write Cax is equal to minus Ixz alpha minus Iyz omega square, this is 0. So Ax you will get Ixz alpha upon C. Now substitute the value. So minus 93.75 10 to the power minus 612 upon C, that is 0.15. So Ax you will get 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton. So dynamic reaction at A and B are equal and opposite. So dynamic reaction A, we can write 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 I cap plus 15 into 10 to the power minus 3 j cap Newton, and V will be minus 7.5 10 to the power minus 3 I cap minus 15 into 10 to the power minus 3 j cap Newton. That's all for it. Thanks for watching it.